Hi everyone. So today in this video I thought I would do a voiceover. Now I'm in a town called Godalming, and I thought I would do a little cemetery walk. These graves are from the 1900s. No, sorry, 1800s. I did find a grave. Unfortunately, I didn't get it on camera, dating back from the 1700s. And if I remember right, that's by the War Memorial. Now the reason why I was doing a voiceover, because there was quite a few people around, I didn't want to look weird on camera. So in this part of the video, again, I took a small little break. And as you probably noticed, that it's on a hill, and I did struggle to get through, but I got there in the end. But if I remember right, I didn't actually make it to the War Memorial. I took a bit of a detour because there's a couple of graves that I quite like the look of. Now this grave I'm coming up to, I don't know why, but I was quite drawn to that grave, but I couldn't find or see any names or dates on that grave. But for some weird reason I was pulled to that grave or to that area, but I just couldn't work out why. So I hope you enjoyed the little cemetery. Well, it's more of a graveyard than a cemetery. And I thought while I was so close to the river, I thought I would do a walk along the riverway. I can't remember the name of the park, but the park is named after one of the people that was on the Titanic. One of the people that was doing the Morse code, or the telegraph, I think it was called. And he was actually from the town of Godalming. He was, don't know whether he was born there or whether he lived there, but when he went down on the ship, they turned that park into like a memorial for him for what he did for the Titanic as it was sinking. And on the left hand side, hopefully you might see it on camera, there's like a memorial, like a building. And again inside, I have done a video inside where there's like a pond full of goldfish. And I think even on some of these trees there are wild, I think they're wild cherries. I had to go and have a look while I was there. But in the distance, that's the building, like a memorial building. So today's Tuesday, and I filmed this on a Saturday just gone, and I can't remember exactly what I did, so I do apologise for the lack of information. But now I'm walking along the riverway. Back in the day, again, I don't know any information on this, but back in the day they used to, in the witch trials, used to swim witches, or supposed witches, in the river on the left hand side. But I stopped and looked because sometimes in the field opposite they normally have cows and wildlife, but no cows today. But there is a few geese. I was trying to look for swans as well, but it's just geese and ducks. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to let you enjoy the rest of the video. The rest of the video is just me walking along the river, stopping off every so often. I do find some geese and ducks and that, but it's not really nothing really worth talking about. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the video with me not talking, and just let you enjoy the walk. So thanks for watching. I hope you watched until the end. There are links in the description below to my Patreon and to buy me a coffee, and to my website where you can buy crystals and stuff like that. Also, buy me a coffee, I do post pictures. If I go places, I take a bunch of pictures and I put it on there. And Patreon, I do post a week in advance, so go and check them out. You don't have to, but any support I get does help with my channel. So yeah, thanks all for watching. I appreciate any support, even a like and a subscribe, even that's support. Anyway, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.
that couldn't get up.
You alright?